A fast and reliable delivery service is right here. Drainfast can supply and deliver quality drainage products to any building site in Brighton from our large depot in Alton. Guaranteed next day delivery and a complimentary take-off service when you order. With friendly, knowledgeable and fast customer service, excellent stock levels across our 3 depots, we have you covered if you have building projects in the Sussex County. Call us, email us or visit our website for more information.